Okay, let's look at these practice problems real quick for section 2.3. So for number 1, we have to write the point slope form of a line's equation satisfying the given conditions. Let's see, and then we want to write it in slope intercept form. So the slope is 3, and we are passing through the point 0.65. So we're going to use point slope form. So that's going to be y minus y1 equals m, and then x minus x1. So we'll make this 6,5, x1 and y1, and our slope is m. So if we plug these values in, I'm going to have a y minus 5 for y1 equals 3, and then x minus my x1, 6. Okay, that's my equation in point slope form. Then I want to solve it for slope intercept form. So I want to solve for y. So I'm going to distribute the 3, get a 3x. 3 times negative 6 will give me a negative 18. I'll bring down y minus 5. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. That's going to give me a y equals 3x minus 13. All right, number 2, we want to write an equation in point slope form and in slope intercept form. So I'm passing through the point 1, 9 with an x-intercept of 5. So what I'm actually given here is 2 points because I'm given an x-intercept, which is actually the point 5, 0. So with 2 points on a line, I can find the slope. So that's what I'm going to want to do first. So I'm going to go m equals y2, which is going to be 0, minus y1, 9, over x2, which is going to be 5, minus x1, 1. So here I'm going to get 0 minus 9, negative 9, 5 minus 1, 4. So my slope is going to be negative 9 over 4, and then I'm going to use point slope form with one of these points to write the equation. So let's say I use 5, 0. I'm going to go y minus my y1, which is 0, equals m, negative 9 fourths, and then x minus my x1, 5. This is the equation in point slope form. Then to get this into slope intercept form, I do not need minus 0, so I can just say y equals, and then I'm going to distribute the negative 9 fourths. So negative 9 fourths times x will give me a negative 9 fourths x, and then negative 9 fourths times negative 5, I would multiply negative 9 times negative 5, which would give me a positive 45, and then my denominator there would be 4 times 1, so 4. So my equation in slope intercept form, y equals negative 9 over 4x plus 45 over 4. In number 3, you want to rewrite the equation in slope intercept form, so you want y by itself. So what I can do here is take this minus 2y, add it to both sides. It's going to cancel out on this side. I'm going to get a 6x minus 8 equals 2y. Then I want to get the y by itself, so I'll divide everything by 2. So I'll have 6x divided by 2 will give me a 3x. Negative 8 divided by 2 will give me a negative 4. And y is by itself. So it really doesn't matter what side the y is on, as long as it's by itself. And then the last problem, we're rewriting y equals 3/4 x minus 10 in standard form. So we want x and y on the same side, which means I'm going to subtract my 3/4 x. So I'm going to have negative 3/4 x plus y equals what's left on this side, negative 10. Now in standard form, I need these all to be whole numbers, so I need to multiply by my common denominator, which would be 4. I also need the number in front of x to be a positive number, so in order to make this positive, I need to multiply by a negative 4. So then I'll distribute the negative 4. I'll have negative 4 times negative 3/4, that'll give me a positive 3x, the 4's cancel out. Negative 4 times y will give me a negative 4y. And then negative 4 times negative 10 will give me a positive 40. So in standard form, I have 3x minus 4y equals 40.